Isn't it very hard to check whether a design parameter is assigned to a particular member or not? Searching from the input editor or assign design parameter list, not a good option. Hi, my name is Surajit Ghosh. I work in Bentley Systems as a structural engineer and provide structural consultation and support to our global clients in analyzing and designing various structures. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the user tool to extract design parameter values assigned to a member directly from STAAD. In this Excel-based macro, I have used few OpenSTAAD functions to extract design parameter values. This code will help you to find the assigned design parameter value for any member. If you want to know more about linking STAAD with macro-enabled Excel file, you can check my previous video. Download and save this file in any local drive from our Tools gallery page. Download link is provided in the description. If you are opening this file for the first time, then you may find some warnings whether you want to enable macro or enable the content. These are some friendly warnings which are provided to remind the user that a macro is linked with this Excel, which might be harmful if the source is unknown. In the input block, you need to provide the design brief number. It is nothing but the parameter block number for still design. If there are multiple design parameter block, you just need to provide the block number. And for concrete design, it is the sequential location of the design block. You can either extract design parameter values for all members with a specific material assigned to it, like steel or concrete. Material name should be provided here in capital letter. Or you can select the members in STAAD model and extract the design parameter values for those members only. OpenSTAAD functions work with a OpenSTAAD model, and if you try to run this file without opening any model, then you will notice a warning message. To run this code, first open a STAAD file and check whether the design blocks are created or not. If no design block is created, then it is not possible to extract any parameter information. Say you want to extract parameter information for first design set. Simply click on this tab and all design parameter values are extracted in this table. If you assign any parameter to a member, then that is reported in this table. If no parameter is assigned, then default values are reported. For example, for member 21 and 23, I have assigned ratio value as 0.95. This value is reported in the table. I can also select few members in the model, say all members for which checkcode command is assigned, clear the previous results, and once again extract the design parameter values using this tab. For concrete design, count the sequence. For this model, it is 3. Select few members, specify 3 in brief, and all concrete design parameters are extracted. Unit of any parameter depends on the base unit setup. For large number of members, it might take few minutes to extract all values. Just one problem. I have noticed that for few parameters, no values are extracted if the default values are used. This is actually a bug, and for those parameters, I have printed default in the table. If any user-defined values are assigned, then that value will be reported correctly. If you need any further information, click on this Help tab. From here, you can check the version number, directly open this video tutorial or document file, and if you want, you can contact me for further information. That's all. Let me know if this user tool helps you.